I got a package of these heart stones sent to me today. Now I did get them in an exchange for this review. I did want to point out that the case was cracked, but I really don't think that's going to do anything to the stones inside. But let's go ahead and open them up and check them out. So this is the case, and I just want to show you that crack, but fortunately it didn't do anything to the hearts. Now I went ahead and laid the hearts out. You do get 30 of them. And these were the patterns I got. I can't guarantee that these are the patterns you're getting, but these are the ones that I received. So let's go ahead and take a look at the heart. They're all shiny and they're all smooth. Now, why did I want these? I have parties and I also am hosting Thanksgiving this year. And what I wanted to do with them is hand each person one and just tell them how much they're loved. And hopefully they'll remember that and keep that with them. I also believe that some other uses for these could be crafts or even some decoration. You could put them in a bowl and then just have them out on an end table. So just different ways you can use these. I really hope this information was helpful, and I hope you'll have a great day.